Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm working on my truck and I had an issue with my heater core check valve up there leaking, and it's actually caused some additional issues because I didn't realize that that's where it was leaking from for quite some time. And basically it's caused one of my coil packs to fail, so my truck's running on 7 cylinders until I get that part in. I had that ordered today and I'll have it tomorrow by about 2 p.m. So I'll have that going in. But basically, from what I was doing, some research on YouTube, trying to figure out how to go about changing this part out, I didn't really see anyone doing the actual labor, right? Everyone puts the phone down and they're like, oh, let me set the phone down, and oh, well, it was a struggle to get this piece off here. Well, it's actually not if you have the right tool. So I'm going to show you all that here in a second. I'm going to flip the camera around and I'll go ahead and take care of it. And I'm able to do it one-handed while I'm videoing. So if I'm able to help you out, guys, subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Check out the other stuff I've got. I got a lot of fun stuff going on my channel. So share and subscribe. I appreciate it. Now, let's go ahead and get this thing rolling. Alright, so I already took the liberty of removing the hose off of this little guy right here, and this is what's leaking, and it's leaking down there on this ignition coil. So I got it unplugged. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on it and blow it out real good and see if it'll maybe work again. But I already ordered another one. But anyway, so here's the that valve, and it's, a lot of people say it's a really big pain. What I did is I went by good old O'Reilly's and I bought this kit right here. Comes with all of these, and my 2004 Silverado uses this one. Alright, so here's the good stuff right here. You take this bad boy and, hang on, let me fix the lighting here. It'll work better from back there. Oh yeah, voila. Alright, so we take this little guy and you take the opening and you slip it over the pipe that's coming out of your firewall like such. Alright, now you take it and you push it into the valve. Alright, once you got it pushed in right there, take your fingers and pull it off. Yep. Hang on, let me move my hand so maybe you see what I'm doing? Anyway, so you pull it in there and, okay, that was just something unrelated to this falling. Okay. There we go. That was it. So basically, I'm gonna pop it back on there. So what you do is you push this in until you hear it pop. Once you do, you just pull that straight off. That easy. No effort. Basically, it has to, see it, focus, okay. That little tool has to come all the way up to this flange or whatever that is to make it release inside those little connectors. So anyway, that's how you remove one of these valves, guys. If I helped you out, hit that subscribe button for me. Check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in.